Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss some of the important definition given under the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Let us start with discussion. First definition is body corporate. What is the meaning of body corporate? As per the LLP Act 2008. As per LLP Act 2008, body corporate means company defined under the Companies Act. It also includes LLP registered under LLP Act, LLP incorporated outside India, company incorporated outside India. So, body corporate means any company, whether it is incorporated in India as per the Companies Act or whether it is incorporated outside India, and it will also include LLP registered under the LLP Act as well as the LLP incorporated outside India. So, body corporate means company as well as the LLP. However, the body corporate will not include corporation sole and the cooperative society registered under any law for the time being in force. So, body corporate will not include any corporation sole or a cooperative society registered under any law. Further, if the central government is by notification in the official gazette notify that any other body corporate will not be considered as the body corporate, then such body corporate which the central government is notified in the official gazette will not be considered as the body corporate. However, such body corporate which the central government is going to notify will not be the company or the LLP as per the LLP Act or the Companies Act as the case may be. So, the body corporate means any company or a LLP whether incorporated in India or incorporated outside India. However, it will not include any corporation sole or a cooperative society registered under any law or any body corporate with the central government by notification in the official gazette specify in this behalf will not be considered as the body corporate. Next, what is the meaning of a business as per the LLP Act? The business definition is the inclusive definition as per the LLP Act because it starts with the wording like business include. So, it is the inclusive definition. So, business includes every trade, profession, service and occupation. So, any trade, profession, service or occupation will be considered as a business as per the LLP Act 2008. Next, what is the meaning of the financial year? The financial year in relation to LLP means the period starting from the first day of April to the 31st March of the following financial year. So, what is the financial year in relation to LLP? 1st April to 31st March. However, if any LLP is incorporated after 30th September, then the financial year of such LLP may end on the 31st March of the year next following the year. So, suppose if any LLP is incorporated on the 1st October 2019, then for such LLP, the financial year may not be the 31st March 2020, but the financial year for such LLP may be the 31st March 2021. So, if any LLP is incorporated after the 30th September of the financial year, then for such LLP, the financial year may end on the 31st March of the year next following the financial year. What is the meaning of a foreign LLP? If any LLP is incorporated or registered outside India, if any LLP is incorporated or registered outside India, means it is not incorporated or registered as per the LLP Act 2008, but it is incorporated or registered outside India as per the act prevailing in the respective country, but it has established a place of a business within India. So, if any LLP which has incorporated or registered outside India but having a place of business in India will be considered as the foreign LLP. What is the meaning of a LLP? The limited liability of a partnership means a partnership formed as per the LLP Act 2008. So any partnership formed or registered as per the LLP Act 2008 will be considered as the limited liability partnership. What is the meaning of a limited liability partnership agreement? The limited liability partnership agreement is the written agreement. What is written in such agreement? The written agreement is between the partners of the LLP. Further, it is the agreement between the LLP and its partner. This document will determine the mutual right and duty among the partners as well as the right and duty in relation to that particular LLP. So LLP agreement is nothing but the written agreement, just like our traditional partnership did. It will determine the right and obligation, that is the right and duty of the partner in relation to the LLP as well as the right and duty among the partners as per the limited liability partnership agreement. Next, what is the meaning of a partner as per the LLP? The partner means any person who becomes a partner in the LLP as per the LLP agreement. So any person is becoming the partner in the LLP as per the LLP agreement will be considered as the partner as per the LLP Act. Next, whether the Indian Partnership Act 1932 is applicable to the LLP as per section 4 of the LLP Act 2008, save as otherwise provided, the provision of the Indian Partnership Act shall not apply to LLP. So the provision of Indian Partnership Act shall not apply to any LLP incorporated or registered in India, save as otherwise provided if any. So this is the discussion of some of the basic definition given under the LLP Act 2008. In the next video, we will discuss another concept about LLP Act 2008. Thank you.